See my solar panels behind me? Got them about 5 years ago. They're paid for now. And it saves me, I don't have a bill. It saves me all kinds of money. So I had Solar Tech put those on. You see that? And then after that, I got a battery. And the battery is now saving me the money through the peak hours between 4 and 9 o'clock. The battery charges up all day long, and then it discharges between 4 and 9, and that saves me a bunch of money. So call Solar Tech, and they'll save you some money. There's a little bit of outlay at the beginning, but over time you'll have your own system, and you make it all back. So you can be smart about it, or you can pack it down to San Diego Gas and Electric. So there's my batteries right there. See those? I don't know if you can see them. Those are the NeoVolta batteries. And so anyway, those are things are saving me money. Anyway, give Solar Tech a call. All right.